Finding the best travel deals using Kayak on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to enable Kayak plugin and use it. Make sure you are already logged into ChatGPT. Now click on this email address and head towards the option of settings and beta. Go to the option beta features and enable for this option of plugins. After you do that, head towards this option of GPT-4. Check in for this option of plugins. With that, you will see this drop down. Click on it. Scroll all the way down. You will find the option of plugin store. Click on it. Now search for the plugin Kayak. And after it appears, install it and head back. Again, click on this drop down. With that, you will be able to find the plugin Kayak. You have to check in for it. And now it has been enabled. You can use it. Kayak plugin allows users to search for flights, accommodations, and rental cars, as well as explore travel destinations based on a budget. All you have to do is provide prompt over here. I have asked to provide me the best flight deals for a round-trip journey. Make sure to enter the details such as place, price range, and the flight date. You can see that I have provided all those, and now it is providing me the exact response that I have asked for. In the case you are interested in any of the deal, you can click on the option of view deal. And with that, you will land to this page. Now from here, you can get the detailed information of your flight. Not only for the flight, but also you can use Kayak for the stays, cars. So this is how you can enable and use Kayak ChatGPT Plus plugin. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.